Hey guys, setting up payments on Shopify is pretty easy to do. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Shopify in any web browser and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now tap on Settings from the bottom left corner of your screen, and here you will see your store details. After that, tap on Payments from the left. Now on this page, you will see an option that says supported payment methods, and from there you have to tap on activate PayPal. As you can see here, PayPal Express checkout is only available for international or cross-border payments. Now select activate PayPal Express checkout from the bottom, and then you will be redirected to the login page of PayPal. And here you can see it says that by connecting a PayPal account, you can start accepting payments on Shopify. So what you need to do is provide all your information here and then connect your Shopify to your PayPal to do your payments on Shopify. This is one way you can set up your payment method on Shopify. But if you don't want to do it with PayPal, what you need to do is go back to the payments page. From there, you need to tap on add payment methods, and from here you can search any payment methods that you want. For example, I am searching for Visa card, and after that you can select it as your payment method. Also, if you want, you can add other cards as your payment method. So these are some ways you can set up your payment methods on Shopify.